Last night, I set my alarm for 7 a.m. I double-checked it, even asked Alexa to back me up. This morning, I wake up at 10:42. My alarm never went off. I checked my phone. Alarm was still set, volume full, but guess what? My phone was in the fridge. Yes, the actual fridge. I live alone. At first, I thought maybe I was sleepwalking, but then I found a sticky note on the mirror that said, "You needed the sleep." Bro, my ghost isn't scary. He's just passive-aggressive. Like, yeah, I appreciate the concern, but don't mess with my schedule. Next time, ghosty, just send a calendar invite or something.